Hello and welcome. I'm Sully from My Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode we will be making white chicken chili, guys. It's full of flavor and it's the perfect cozy dinner for your family. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. I have a whole roasted chicken in here, guys, and I'll go ahead and leave that link at the end of the video for you guys of how I made this chicken. So what I'm going to do now is basically take our chicken and I am going to shred it. And it is so moist and tender. This is my chicken after it is all shredded. That looks perfect. Now go ahead and set this aside. It's time to chop our veggies. And we're going to mince our garlic, guys. And this is our jalapeno. Over medium heat, I am using the same pot that I had used to roast my chicken, and I'm just going to add some oil to it. So all the stuff that you're seeing in here are all flavors. Do not clean your pot after you are done roasting your chicken. And we're just going to add our onions to it. And we're going to saute our onions for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are going to add our garlic. And we're going to cook that for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add in your jalapeno and your bell peppers. And we're going to saute this for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add in your liquid. This is my chicken dripping. I am also going to add that to it. Add your beans. Bring to a boil, guys, and simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are going to add our chicken. Give that a mix. I'm going to add some more liquid, and I'll go ahead and leave all that measurements in the description box for you guys. Now add your heavy whipping cream. Now go ahead and let this simmer for 3 minutes. And after that, we'll give it a taste to see if we need to add any more additional seasoning. After 3 minutes, guys, go ahead and give that a stir. And we're going to taste our chili just to make sure that it is good with seasoning. I am going to add another half of the Maggie cube. After adding in your Maggie cube, I am just going to squeeze some lemon juice in here. So about a tablespoon. After adding in your lime juice, go ahead and season with salt to taste, guys. Guys, my white chicken chili is ready. Take a look. Doesn't it look amazing? I'm going to serve this with some cornbread, as you can see, but you can also serve this over some rice, some tortillas, whatever your heart desires. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.